Are you ready for part 2 of my May plan with me? Time to set up my May calendar. In my previous video, I made my May monthly cover. Tick. Video link at the top if you haven't watched that yet. And now it's time to embellish and fill in my calendar spread. Let's go. My name is Mariane, and through my planning, budgeting, and everything in between, I hope to inspire you in your own planning journey. Now let's jump right into it. Here's what I'll be using. Zebra mild liner highlighters, Tombow dual brush pens, Kuretake Zig Clean color dot markers, various sticker pads, a ruler and a pen, tweezers to help place stickers down, washi tapes, and my bullet planner bundle planner inserts. All details will be in the description below. To start with, I'm going to add the days of the week at the top of each column. Now, I made these stickers using my Cricut Maker, but as you can see, I didn't set the cut correctly and it pretty much cut through the sticker paper. But I didn't want to waste it, so I'm going to add these to my calendar. I'll fast track through this bit so you don't see me struggle trying to unstick all the sticker from the sticker paper. Now time to add the dates. I'm using number stickers from this Carpe Diem sticker pad. I'll be using these small circles. Question of the day. Do you use a lot of stickers in your planner or bullet journal? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any fave brands I can check out myself. Now it's time to add the May header. I'm using different colored Tombow brush pens to continue the different color theme. I'm using broad strokes or the sides of the brush to create thicker strokes. The colors I'm using are 772, 126 and 991. Then with a black PENTEL ENERGEL pen, I will outline each letter to make it pop on the page. Next, I will add some washi tape to the top of the page for a little bit of embellishment, but you can use this space to write out quotes or draw some doodles. I just use a little ruler to cut off the end to create a nice straight edge. A few more stickers to embellish the notes section on the left-hand side of the spread. This one is from Carpe Diem Bloom sticker pad and the beautiful sticker pad. Now it's time to add in events. So we have Mother's Day on Sunday the 8th. I'm going to add a few heart stickers from the Happy Planners Wake Up and Be Awesome sticker pad. On the 21st of May is my husband's birthday, so adding some cute Lola digital stickers I printed from CLENA prints. Next, it's time to migrate all the information I have noted down on my future log for May. Birthdays, therapy sessions for my younger son, and any other school events that I need to know ahead of time, like my oldest's school carnival. So once I've noted down all the stuff from the future log, I just write in any other important dates that I need to remember, like savings challenges, bills due, payday, when to pay rent, and any other important information. I also like to color the different task events and important dates with zebra mild liners. Finally, a few more stickers at the bottom of the notes section. And that's it. My May calendar is all set. If you got value from this video, I would appreciate a like. And don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell to get notifications of when I upload new videos. I appreciate you and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.